You guys can't feel what I'm feeling, but it's fucking brick. It's brickums. The forecast. Top of the morning. Fucking 9:30 a.m. Headed to the gym. Come on, you can do it. The way that cold air intake and the freaking exhaust just tie in together, it's truly, truly lovely. Truly lovely. Oh. My boy's in the wrong jurisdiction. Yeah. Not today. Trying to cut me off. What's the matter with you? Actually insane. I don't say nothing. No chance regardless. Come on, guy. Shit, I was running late before, now I'm running a little early. My mom got a new car too. She got a freaking C300. I was taking it around this turn going like 60. This shit smelled smooth as fuck. Almost better than this car. It was just a fucking C300, not even an AMG. Not no C43, none of that. None of that, I tell ya. E30 action. I'm about to go put a note on their car. How much you want for it? I'm fiending for an E30. Just absolutely fiending. Why is he running like that? So much fucking fun to drive. And back roads like these, you really don't need more than like 300 horsepower. Horsepower, good suspension, and then a nice exhaust. Doesn't even have to be nice, that's just the cherry on top. Fucking beautiful. Somebody just stole half that house. My boy got something hanging under his freaking Accord. That was my last car. I go and get a BMW, is it gonna be able to take this kind of beating? Because this shit is this shit's getting abused, and it likes it though. That's the crazy part. I don't know, man. I'm definitely not gonna get an IS350 because that shit's just too fucking expensive for what it is. But maybe an ISF? But then, like, I don't know, is it gonna be good to drive every single day? You know what I mean? Plus, like, the tech on that car is so outdated. I'm not saying, like I want to have an E30 at all times. But, like, on the side, you know what I mean? Not, like, as a daily car. I'm just worried, yo, if I get a Beamer, because they're gonna be able to take this kind of beating, especially with a downpipe and tune and all that good stuff. Well, shit, we made it. I had to stop and get one of these fucking fugazi looking protein peanut butter pretzels. No breakfast. Fuck it, we'll see what this does. I'm about to go in, get right, and then come out. And then we got another drive to do to the crib. And we're back. Quick little pump. Traction off, that's mandatory. Damn, I really got 88,000 miles. At 4,500 RPMs, the like actual intake fully opens up. That shit sounds so nice and aggressive. I guess those are like contradicting words, but it sounds so nicely aggressive. I'm about to just send it right here. I love this damn tunnel. Te crece. Mania. Gag suckers. Now we just get a little snack, get some gas, and I'm going to the crib. I think I'm gonna end it at that, guys. I got some new shit coming. I got some parts on the way. Probably gonna just drop a bunch of POVs as well. I know you guys like seeing them. I also like enjoy watching POVs. I don't know, it's something about it. It's like you're in the car almost. It's dope. Seeing what the driver sees, the point of view. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I should have a video in the next few days. I'm not even sure when I'm gonna drop this one, but I'm trying to line shit up, you know what I mean? As always, if you guys have any ideas you want to see me do, leave a comment. I read about every comment. And yeah, that's all. Happy New Year. This will probably drop before New Year's. Love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.